this decoy, okay? Just be ready. Wait a second. All right, there he comes, there he comes. Get ready. Take your safety off. Just ease it off. Let him come. Keep that bead right on his head. Hey, Rose. Hey, Rose. I'm talking about out the gate, baby. 10 steps. Whoa, God, you mollyhocked him right in the boot. Ava, you kept it on his head, baby. You busted his whole beak. Good job.
Yeah. Put it on. I'm talking about. She don't play with opening day. Ava.
Good job, girl. What do you think?
Awesome.
You were a lucky turkey hunting.
I won't tell you what.
Tell you what, I ain't. That's your what? 6th turkey? Yeah. And 3rd time shooting 6 turkey.
Not in Alabama, though. Not in Alabama.
Still got to use the flash. That's what I'm talking about.